Hey there friends! I am really excited to show you the May 2022 products from Elle Studio that includes the monthly kit and fabulous coordinating add-ons. Let's take a look at what we've got for you this month. The first product that I always want to show you is the monthly kit because it sets the tone for all of the other products. You'll find that the monthly kit coordinates with all of our add-ons so that the colors remain the same across the release. I just love the May die cuts. Look at these beautiful colors. You have a lot of warm hues this month. So a lot of corals, both dark and light. You have a lot of yellows, reds. You have that fuchsia color, you have a few greens and blues thrown in, and then some neutral gray as well. I really like the A Beautiful Sight. I really like Pure Joy and More of This Please, and Oh Hey, that could be a great card. So there's a lot of fun die cuts this month. Now let's take a look at the 4x6 tags. There are 3 in the kit. This is definitely my favorite. You will notice that this kit really does have kind of a playful theme, and this Play All Day 4x6 tag is perfect. It says play all day, we always have fun. I love that. Then how cool is this photograph notes tag? It is a 4x6 tag split up into 2x2 squares, so you could cut those apart and use those as 2x2s or leave it as a 4x6. You could pop your photos in there. You will see a lot of kind of photograph themed things this month, and this is just a precursor to that. It's really cool. And then you have this light coral tag that has a grid on it. So lots of things you could do with this one. Now let's take a look at the 3x4 tags. There are always so many. I'm going to show you my favorite one first. Smiles, Friends, Food, and Sunshine. Good things are on the horizon, so really uplifting, really playful and fun. Photograph notes, so a Polaroid style. True story, then and now. So really good one for reflecting with your journaling there. 1, 2, and 3 in blue. This really beautiful stripe. A green grid. Notes from today. A fuchsia photograph date kind of journaling tag. This one is so fun. I love that. Love the camera, love the flash. Really cool. And another of my favorites, just simple with a yellow frame, but I'm always there for the yellow. All work or all play, circle 1. This one's fun with all the colorful cameras here and space there to add some labels, journaling. You could totally cut that one apart. Currently loving, let's go. So fun. I'm sure we all have some trips planned that we could use that one for. Spending all of our time inside or outside. And then love you, Mom, because we're coming up on Mother's Day. So that's a great one. Look at those. Those are great 3x4 tags, 4x6 tags, and die cuts in the monthly kit. Remember that we do have a subscription that is hassle-free. You can cancel it at any time. And just by becoming a monthly kit subscriber, you get special perks like bundled shipping, special discounts, and free digitals. So be sure to check that out at the link in my video notes. Okay, next up I'm going to give you a look at all of the add-ons that coordinate with our May kit, starting with the May labels. And these are really fun because all of the colors from the kit are represented there, but you also have these fun phrases on them. So fun outdoors, XOXO, this was an adventure, soak it up, sunshine documented, a beautiful sight, hooray for this, excited about this, feeling blessed, and simple joy. So really fun labels this month. Always love them. These are the Cerulean Blue Jane Alphabet cardstock stickers. So our very popular Jane Alpha, very clean lined, all caps, in cerulean blue, which I love this color so much. It's definitely a beautiful blue that you could use as a neutral. It's gorgeous. Next up, we have the Jane Tile Alphabet cardstock stickers in coral. So we have a lot of coral hues this month in the kit and add-ons, and these will coordinate perfectly in that classic tile alpha. Then we have the little banner stickers. These are super fun, you guys, because they are so colorful. They have so many different words on them that you can use. You have the days of the week. You have yes, no, before, after, yum, delish, super rad, create, I love that, read, cook, listen, that's a great one. Bestie, now, fun, enjoy, relax, fave, laugh, and love. So look at those beautiful colors too. You could do so much with these, and our design team has done some really cute things with them. Next up, we have the photograph label stickers. So these are really fun because they all have a photo theme, so you can use them to pop at the bottom of your photo. If you are pressed for time and you just need to throw pictures into your pockets, but really don't have time to embellish your pages. And these are great just to add a little note onto the photo about where you were, what you did, and go on from there. So these are great. They have some beautiful colors too that coordinate beautifully with the kit. So be sure to check out the photograph label stickers. Moving on to the puffy stickers, we have big smiles. How great is this one? You have photo corners, you guys. How cute are those little black photo corners? You have lots of cameras, so 8 cameras, little 3 mini, medium, and 2 big. Then you have some hearts in bubbles. Then you have words and phrases. You have this cute frame in a puffy. Look, there's white as well. I just love this. These are so good. I can't wait to use them on my projects. Next up, we have asterisk puffy stickers. So this is the bright puffy asterisks. If you have the asterisks from before, they're a totally different colorway. These are much brighter colors, really fun and perfect for spring and summer documenting. Then we have the cerulean blue puffy alphabet stickers. So we did have these in the shop before, and I just love that cerulean blue in our classic puffy alpha. Be sure to snag these, you guys, because you'll want to add them to your stash to coordinate with all of our cerulean blue products. For our stamps, we have the travel tab stamp. I know you guys are in love with the tab series, and now you have a new must-have, the travel tab stamp. So this one has some new tabs that coordinate with our metal dies already in the shop. Then we have lots of phrases like packed and ready, went as planned or change of plans, destination found, exploring the city, we ate this, we loved this, highlight, day number blank, trip number blank. I just love it. So I'm really excited to use this for all of my travel projects. This is just going to be a staple stamp in my stash. Then we have a really awesome one. I'm so excited about this one. This is the photograph stamp. So this one has a different font, the all caps font, has lots of fun phrases about photos. So photographic evidence, outtake number blank, group selfie, real life, noteworthy, good times. Then you have photograph notes. You also have that frame that you can stamp in any color that you want. You have the flash. How fun is the flash, right? You have the lines, you have the seal, then you have the solid like label, you have numbers. This is a really great one, you guys. I'm excited about the photograph stamp, and it wouldn't be complete without a metal die to go along with it. So you can cut out your frames and then stamp these phrases, the lines, make those look really cool. Like on the Big Smiles Puffy stickers, you can see how that works there. You have your phrase, you have the lines on there. So you can do that. You can customize it yourself with both of these together, the photograph stamp and the photograph metal die. Thanks so much for joining me as I unbox the May 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. We have so many cool products to share with you guys this month. I hope you'll check out the link in my video notes by clicking that down arrow so that you can see all of that there, and go to the Elle Studio shop to grab these beautiful new products while supplies last. While you're there, be sure to check out the monthly kit subscription. You'll save money, you'll get bundled shipping, you'll get special discounts and freebies. What could be better than that? Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and happy creating with your May 2022 Elle Studio monthly kit and add-ons.